Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. Today we're on the search for the best vegan ribs.
We've come to vegan nights in the world famous Brick Lane in Shoreditch, London.
It's cold, there's loads of vegan food, and right here we have Club Cultured and their tempeh ribs.
Let's hear all about it.
So Harry, come on out, come let us know. Yo, how's it going?
Good, amazing.
You cold? You wrapped up warm there, I see.
Yeah, good seeing you.
Yeah, nice.
Got the layers on,
Excellent. So Harry, tell us, what are your top tips for making vegan ribs?
Oh, so the marinade's key. So we do 2 days, loads of mixture of their spices, herbs all around the world. So we've got some hoisin in there, some apple cider vinegar, tomato puree. Can't say too much because it'll be coming soon.
Yeah.
Then obviously Connor created a remoulade to go in the sandwich. The balance of flavour is amazing, which you guys will see soon. But yeah, we spend 3 days making the tempeh. Wow. So that's like, there's 2 fermentation stages. So once that's done, then we finally have the finished product, comes out the fermentation chamber, we marinate it, and then gets served on the stall here, which people are loving. The people of London, it's going down a treat at the moment.
Boom.
When it comes to tempeh, what exactly is tempeh?
So tempeh is made originally fermented soybeans. The one on our stall is fermented soybeans. You can make it out of any bean, seed, legume, grain. They have different fermentation times, different tastes, different textures. But we're planning on doing a black bean one, a chickpea one. But yeah, it's mainly the mycelium takes over.
Mycelium?
Yeah, the Rhizopopus oligosporus.
Right, Rhizopopus oligosporus.
Might get subtitles for that one.
Rhizopopus oligosporus.
There we go. But yeah, that's the key, that's the secret. That's what binds it into the meaty texture.
Epic.
And then we turn it to mince, we turn it to pate, turn it to ribs.
Nice.
We do everything. Venetia has been having it as toast today.
Oh, has she? Epic. Venetia Falconer.
Yeah, she's got a kilo block in the bag waiting for
Excellent. And so it's like high in protein, high in fibre.
18, 90 grams of protein, low in saturated fats, high in fibre. Really pre-digested, so a lot easier in digestive system. If you didn't know, 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut, so our food makes you happy.
Really?
Happy food. There you have it. That is how to make the best bad boy tempeh. Have we talked about the ribs? Have we covered the ribs?
The ribs, what do you want to know?
We kind of started with the ribs, didn't we?
Yeah.
Top tips for making bad boy tempeh ribs.
All right, so marinade's key, and then seasoning. You know, you've got to get that in there, really impart the flavour. Cut it to a little bit different, say, like it's a bit thinner, so you get nice spread in the sandwich. Yeah, it's like just putting loads of love into it, the care.
Amazing.
So, you know, taking time. We take our time with slow food, you know.
There you have it. That is Harry. That is the badass Club Cultured and amazing vegan ribs made out of tempeh.
Oh, I can't wait to try them.
Oh, look at this. Magic. That is tempeh ribs. 2-day tempeh with a root veg remoulade, a cheese slice, obviously, and sourdough bread.
Now, the chef who's working for these guys used to work at the Ritz for 5 years, so he knows a good meal when he sees one. I'm well excited about this.
This is Club Cultured. They told us their tips. Let's now taste their food. Wow. Wow. That's incredible. Really, really tasty. You know what he's got in there? Obviously, it's tempeh. Now, tempeh is a really interesting thing. It's essentially created from beans that started to ferment. So he's cottoned on to an opportunity to introduce tempeh here. But he's done such a good job of making a balanced, gorgeous, fresh, zingy sandwich with a barbecue rib flavour. Amazing.
Now, tempeh isn't that well known in this country. You can't really buy it anywhere. These guys could well change that. Tempeh could well become, with this quality, as big as seitan.
It's the new meat.
It is.
There you have it. That was our top tips for making the best ribs, thanks to Club Cultured.
This is an amazing sandwich.
Amazing. Incredible. We make videos like this almost every day, so subscribe for more plant-based goodness.
And let us know what you think about the video in the comment section below.
And of course, hit like so more people see this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bish!
Bash!
Bosh!